The K.Elite Brewer from KEURIG makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer is fully featured for maximum beverage customization, and the brushed finish and metal detail blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K.Elite Brewer. Select from 5 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. For full-flavored iced coffee, brew hot over ice by selecting the button. The large, removable reservoir holds 75 ounces, which means you can brew 8 cups with just one fill. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. And the programmable on-off allows you to set the exact time your brewer turns on in the morning, helping to save energy. Using your K.Elite Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew, hot or iced, every time.
The Ninja Coffee Bar single-serve system comes complete with a variety of brew types, sizes, and features that you can't get anywhere else. Pod-free single-serve enables you to use your favorite coffee grounds for unlimited variety when brewing a single cup up to the new XL multi-serve travel size. The Ninja Coffee Bar system allows you to further customize your coffee with Ninja's advanced thermal flavor extraction technology by creating variable levels of richness from the same grounds, including the Ninja exclusive Cafe Forte, which amplifies the natural, subtle flavors for a sensationally different coffee experience. Top off your favorite beverage by using the Ninja Coffee Bar's integrated frother to easily froth both hot and cold milk.